Welcome, today I am with AirPods 3 and I will show you how easy you can charge these earphones. So at the first, for sure you have to put them into the charging case, right? And when your charging case is charged, they will charge automatically when you put them in the case. And how we can charge the case? Take a look. Inside the box you will find the lightning cable. Here it is, as you can see. So you have to basically plug it to your charger brick, then grab this cable and put it right here into the lightning port. Click, put, and then you will get this indicator that will show you that it's on the charge. So when it's on the red color, it means that it's still charging, but when it reaches the green color, it means that our case it's fully charged. So we can just disconnect this cable and then just use your earphones, AirPods. And as you can see, that's very simple, but if you don't know how to make it, so I hope that I help you. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.